Hi, welcome to Baking Mad. Today we're going to show you how to test whether your cakes are baked throughout. Sometimes you might put your cakes in the oven, follow the recipe to plan, they just aren't baking within the time specified. Perfectly normal. A great way to test whether your cakes are baked all the way through is just to get a clean skewer or a sharp knife or cocktail stick if you don't have one of these to hand. What you want to do is just place it in the center of your cupcake or cake, and then if you just pull it out, and as you'll see here, this still has a little bit of mixture left on it, which means our cakes aren't quite ready. What I would do in this instance is I just pop them back in the oven for 5 more minutes, test them again with a clean skewer. Again, if they're still not ready, you just keep repeating the process until your cakes are baked throughout. So I'm going to pop these back in the oven now. Okay, so the cakes are back out the oven now. What I'm going to do is test them once more with my skewer. So I'm just going to pop it in the center. So as you can see, the skewer is perfectly clean, which means that our cupcakes are cooked throughout and, more importantly, ready to eat. So there you have it, an easy and simple way to test that your cakes are baked throughout. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, or alternatively you can visit Baking Mad for more recipes and inspiration. Thanks again, bye!